Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by auditing real search behavior. Sign into Google Ads with editor or admin access, then export search terms covering the last 30 to 90 days so you have raw evidence. Once exported, scan for irrelevant phrases, repeat low-converting queries, and signs of mismatched intent. Prioritize high-spend negatives first to stop waste immediately. Make sure to save a working copy before edits so you can revert. This prevents accidental data loss, while you start removing clearly harmful keywords. Next, categorize negatives into buckets like irrelevant, competitor names, or informational queries with low purchase intent. You do this to apply the right scope: campaign level for broad problems, ad group level for precise blocking. Then choose match types: exact to block a single critical query, phrase to block phrases, and broad match modifier for related variants. Once done, add lists for reuse across campaigns to save time. Also document changes, so you can evaluate impact on CTR and conversions. To finish, monitor performance for the next 7 to 14 days and compare impressions, CPC, conversion rate, and cost per conversion to confirm improvements. If qualified traffic falls, undo or refine the newly added negatives and test changes in small batches so you can isolate effects. Make sure to use automated rules or simple scripts to flag recurring irrelevant queries and add them to lists. Troubleshooting tip: if conversions drop unexpectedly, review search term overlaps and temporarily pause suspect negatives while you investigate.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.